Hello guys, this is Prankur. Welcome to my channel Begin Endless Automation, and today we will learn how to update and delete rows of data table with LINQ. So we can update and delete rows of data table with LINQ, which is way more faster than for each loop of UiPath. So let's see in UiPath how to do it with LINQ. So this is UiPath. As you can see, I have already taken two data tables for the demo. So our first data table contains order ID and order item, and our second data table contains order ID and order price. So based on order ID, we would be putting and updating order price in data table 1. So here we are adding a column called order price in DT1 that we are going to update. So let's update the data table based on order ID. So first of all, you'll have to pass the arguments on which you are working. So our first data table is DT input. Our second data table is DT2 input. Don't forget to change the data type. This data table, and from the properties you should change the language to C# as we are doing it in C#. So we will write, first you should take the data table from which you would be updating the data table. So it is dt2 as enumerable dot to list. We'll convert it to list. Then for each row of this data table, we have to update our data table 1 as enumerable dot where here also you should take the instance. So based on order ID we will update. So you should check dot equals, or you can have equal to r dot field order ID. So if these are matching, so the matching records, we would update our first data table. Should be to list. Then for each for s dot set field column name is order price, which we are going to update, and will be field from the second data table order price and semicolon. So this will update the data table. So let's quickly write. If your code is incorrect, so it will show some errors, validation errors here. So let's take right range and put update result So we'll first update the table, then we'll see how to delete the rows. So it is tt1. Let me select headers also. Let's run it now. It will create an Excel here. It's done. Now when you open this Excel sheet, you would see that it has added order price in DT1 and updated the order price where the value was matching from the second data table. Now let's delete this file and see how we can delete the rows. And we will write deleted rows also, remaining rows also. So for deletion, you don't have to update the column, just have to write s.delete. So it will delete the matching rows from the data table. Now let's run it. So now this should create two sheets, one with the updated result and one with the deleted rows. So as you can see, all the rows are there in the updated sheet, and in delete there are only two rows, and for these two orders there were no order price, so it is empty. So that's how LINQ is the fastest way in which we can update the data tables. So till the next video, thank you very much for watching.